Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine and you are doing great at your home with your families. So tell me, how was your vacations? Did you enjoy your time at home? And did you enjoy the weather? Obviously the weather was very beautiful nowadays and we are enjoying the weather. It was foggy and I like that season very much. So also share your views. Which weather do you like the most? Okay, so welcome back. Obviously again I am welcoming you to our online classes. So now we will resume our studies. As you know that we have already completed our English literature work. Now we will complete our English grammar work. We have already done our paragraphs, stories, letters. Now we will solve junior English. So what is our today's topic? Before starting that, we have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Monday 11th January 2021. So your subject is English grammar, your textbook is junior English, and your topic is conjunction. So what is conjunction? So does anybody have any idea what is conjunction? No, but we are studying it. We have done this topic before, I think in class 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are in class 5. So you have to know what is the conjunction. I'm waiting for the answer. Okay, hurry up, who's gonna tell me the answer? Very good, yes, you're right. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word which join together two single words or two group of words. Which join together two single words or group of words. Two group of words. So which exercises we are going to solve today? We are going to solve exercise number 80 and 81. So before starting exercise, we have to understand what is conjunction and which words we consider as conjunction. So let's start. So conjunctions. Sorry. The dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. The dog is faithful and intelligent animal. You can see that we have joined two parts. I want to go to play, but I am sick. Okay. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. Next one, if you work hard, you will succeed in life. The words and, but or are, because and if are conjunctions or connecting words. So what comes to your mind when we are talking about the conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which connect or join two words or two sentences or group of words. You can say that it is Scotch tape of English grammar. It is Scotch tape of grammar. So now we will continue. A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. I already explained that. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Two or more options. When we show choice, what we use? Or. What would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? We are giving choices. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. Now, here is an example. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. Added information. Okay? We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Difference and opposite idea, we use but. Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. Opposite ideas. We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. Because to show the cause or reason of something. Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. Why she is happy? This is the reason. We use if when there is condition. What is the meaning of condition? I will show you in the next example. It is sunny. If it is sunny tomorrow, we can go to the zoo. This is condition. The day must be sunny. Remember to add a comma before the conjunction word when you connect sentences. When we are connected, what we must remember, to add a comma before the conjunction word when you connect sentences. We must add a comma to connect two sentences. We are using a conjunction word and we have to add comma to show that we are joining two sentences. Now we will solve one exercise of Junior English, and after that you will solve second exercise by yourself. So let's start. Here are some more conjunctions which are in everyday use. If I already explained, as, and, but, for, yet, that, when, since, while, until, though, unless, because, whether, although. Now we will solve this exercise. Use one of the conjunctions in the list above to complete each of these sentences. So we will solve this exercise with the help of these conjunctions. So let's start. Number one, mother paid the butcher dash put the meat in her basket. What did mother paid? Mother paid the butcher and put the meat in the basket. The wind was cold. Now we are making comparison, as it was the month of March. Brian did not know dash to choose a cricket ball or football. Okay, the next one. Brian did not know whether to choose a cricket bat or a football for a birthday present. Let us sit on the beach until the sun sets, then go indoors and change. Susan boiled the eggs while Jane cut the bread and butter. Now turn the page. You need not come with us dash you wish to. If we intend going to Eastbourne as the weather is fine. Bernard burned his finger dash he had been warned to be careful with the fireworks. You know that we should be careful with the fireworks. Although the match was postponed dash of the heavy rain, because we looked everywhere for the lost book but could not find it. So this was our exercise number 80. I have already explained many conjunction words. Now you have to solve exercise number 81 of Junior English by yourselves. Okay? If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.